Namaste. I'm Chiara from Italy. I did the 200-hour course in Guru Yoga Pet here in Rishikesh in India, and it was a very good experience. I want to say thank you very much to Guruji Rishi because your yoga class was very helpful and in a very spiritual way. And yes, the food was organic and vegan, very good. And the doctor, Ayurveda doctor Sharma Ji, he has a big experience, and he helped me to understand my body and the Ayurveda basis. And also the different type of meditation class with Maya was interesting. So I want to say also thank you to Sanjay Ji and to Tuna Ji for the management. Everything was okay and everything helped me to grow up. So thank you very much to everybody. I recommend this school for the people they want to know the real yoga. And yes, I will come back soon. Thank you very much.